Burundi. A little more than a week ago, Benyaamahoro went out for a beer. He met up with some friends, listened to some music, and then received a mysterious call around 8:30 p.m., asking him to go to a neighborhood shop. The next morning, Mr. Uwamahoro, a minibus driver with soft hooded eyes, was found dead on his back on a dirt path, a bullet hole in his head. His tongue sawed out. Was he targeted because he joined a couple of protests, his distraught sister asked, or was it because he was a Tutsi in Burundi? Dangerous times lie ahead if that question is being asked, and right now a lot of people are asking it. Ethnic rivalries have set off several devastating wars in this part of Africa, but none come near the deadly legacy of the Hutu-Tutsi divide, which plunged Rwanda into genocide in 1994, wiping out nearly 1 million lives.